Right then, welcome back to the channel. If you're a subscriber, you'll probably already recognise where we are. If you're not a subscriber, ask yourself why. But we are currently at Graphic Innovation, so they actually rent the units behind us, which is really convenient when we do things like this. So as you can see, this is our Amarok. Probably one of the most versatile cars that we've got that shows off everything that we do. Performance-wise, it's running 360 horsepower turbo upgrade intercoolers.
That launch in the Amarok was just insane.
Obviously, it looks a bit overlandy, so ties in with the overland stuff. We've done a few green lanes in this as well. Nice aluminium front bumper, quite rugged looking, and then it supports the race cars. So pretty much this has involvement in every aspect of our company, which is why we thought we'd give it a little bit of TLC and give it a bit of a makeover. So this project has been going on for quite a while now. I think we originally discussed this when we first fitted the Ute Master. When we did that, we originally had an idea that we were going to fit the Ute Master and get a full wrap, Darkside branded, it was going to look all good. And then the material that 3M wanted to release that we were going to use for this, which is a brand new IJ280 high gloss laminate, it's supposed to be all singing, all dancing, really nice finish, has been delayed a few times. It's had many different code names, I think like Buzz Lightyear or Power Rangers, something along them. Top secret anyway, so we've kind of been waiting for them to release this product to the market, and then obviously we've had to come up with the design and everything. So it's literally everything that you see on the vehicle that's currently paint is getting a full wrap in this new material. So the bumper's going to stay as it is, the arches, the snorkel, the Ute Master, canopy, all that's going to stay as it is. And basically all the grey that you can see is going to have a full wrap on it. So like we said, it's going to be Darkside branded up. It's going to be a nice demonstration vehicle for when we're going racing, when we're going to the shows, and whatever we do, it's obviously going to be branded up and represent the company pretty well. So I'm not sure if we're going to put any clips up yet of what it's going to look like. Maybe if you're watching this video a little bit further down the line, the thumbnail will be how it looks. So yeah, not sure. But we're going to do plenty of footage on this. I think 3M want to do a bit of a feature on this as well, so they'll have their own content around it. But we're going to get Adam to do plenty of B-roll, get the guys here to do some time lapses, and yeah, keep watching, you'll see the transformation. Right, I'm just going over to Gig, see how much they've got done on the Amarok, see what it looks like. It's far from finished, gives you a little bit of a teaser as to what's going off. Material's looking pretty nice and glossy. And then we've got a nice fade going off to grey. So yeah, this gives you a bit of a teaser as to what it's going to look like, but so far so good. Leading to it. So the Amarok is back, the wrap is done. Let's have a look at it. So what do you think? Do you like it? I do. I think it looks pretty good. The logos stand out. I think the red crackled effect kind of all stands out. It's exactly what we wanted. We wanted people to tell that this is a Darkside vehicle when we're going down the motorway, when we're driving it about, when we're towing the trailers and things like that. We want it to be really recognisable, and I think we've done a pretty good job of doing that. The material we mentioned right at the beginning is like a really high gloss finish. To say this is like a print rather than just a coloured wrap, it's come out really well. Yeah, I think the guys at Gig have done a really good job of it. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. I think the next job for this is to get the wheels either re-powder coated or possibly some new ones. So if you've got any suggestions what wheels we should put on this, or if you like these X5 wheels that we've got on at the minute, comment below, let us know. But apart from that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.